V2 and returning the result. Now here system dot out dot print. Now whenever you selected case 2, create object for superaction. Create object for superaction. SB is equal to new superaction. Now again same, no, SB dot superact of V1 comma V2. The return type of this method is int. Again I'll take R2. R2 is the result. Now here system dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln superact. Superact is equal to R2. Now here multiplication. Multiplication ML is equal to new multiplication. Multiplication. So ML dot multiplication of V1 comma V2. Now return type is again int R3 is equal to. Now system dot out dot print ln. Here multiplication is equal to R3. Now 4 division. Division dv is equal to new division. Now dv dot div of V1 comma V2. What is the return type of division? Float value. Very good. Float some R4. R4 is equal to. Now system dot out dot print ln division div is equal to R4. Now whenever I selected case 5, now modulo division MD is equal to new modulo division. Look here, I asked you to type the program, no? If possible, see for many times and close it and retype. That also well and good only. You'll remember or not now. Giving practice to the mind. Suddenly you cannot write code writing on it. It takes time. Not possible. It takes time. Suddenly for me answer not coming means need not worry. It's the biggest process. You are in the 5-6 programs only if anybody is there. So the technique is first to type the programs. If not, watch my program for 3-4 times and remember the flavor and close it and retype it. Right? So after that you can correct it. See, like this if you do, some pressure will come onto the mind. So the mind sharpness increases. Since many years we stopped using brain for applicative. All are mug-upping only. Mug-upping means by-heading. Since many years our mindset is Jani Jana yes Papa to today, by-heading only. These many years, no. You observe your graduate, all studies you observe it and all mug-upping will be there. After 16 years of education, suddenly in 3 to 4 months, apply means how it will come. It takes time, no? That some work needed, no? That only. Technique is small programs, try to understand it, groundwork it. My programs retype once again, error will come, typing will be increased. When the error coming, cross check something, you have started thinking something. So slowly, some pressure will come onto the mind. So that sharpness should be increased. So now today, what you will do now? You see the program and close it and retype without seeing it retype. If any doubt is coming, see 2 lines and again you type it. So that some remembrance power will be increasing on. That's a technique you have to play. Like this, slowly and suddenly not possible. So frankly, I'm speaking and suddenly not possible. It takes much time. Okay, right? Practice that. Why means I'm retyping and showing to you. I'm not copying a single line. I will not copy single line till the ending. And not only here, in advanced Java also, sometimes I'll write a single program for 3 days. I'll write biggest project also I'll write. The reason student has to watch us and learn it. Small things also will type it. With the patience will type. I can copy it down and I can modify. But student will be confused if I copy down. Where I am copying, will confused. Especially online students will be seeing in the mobile. If hangs, suddenly one code will be loaded. Sir, how it came in? So sometimes power will not be there. Disturbance will be there for them. Mother will say, go and get tomato and she'll go and come back. Sir, repeat again. He'll say, not possible, no. That many cases will be there for us anyway. So such cases we are typing and coming. Right. Yesterday one student said to me, sir, my father sent me outside. Sir, I went outside. He's saying, right. Now R5 is equal to MD dot modulo division V1 comma V2. Like this. So hope you understood this written type of this here. Now system dot out dot println. Now modulo division. This is R5. I typed it. So this is the code. So switch case based on the user choice only. We are creating object for the subclass. If we select one, we create object for addition. If we select two, we create object for subtraction and so on. So let me run this program once. Right. Running the program, recompile and run it. I am taking 7 and 2 choice. I'll take division as a choice. 4 I'll take as a choice. Whenever I take a 4 now, first main class came actually. Who came for execution now? Main. Main method came. Now the main method I am selecting 4. 4 means case 4. In the case 4 you are creating object for whom now? Division. Division class will come. Remaining 4 subclasses will not come. Only division will come. So 3.5. What is the advantage now? Sir, which one needed? That only loading. Remaining not loading. So loading time is saved. If you write all in a single program, what happen? Sir, I am doing addition, but remaining 4 also will come. I am doing multiplication, remaining 4 also will come. But here, which one you want? That only will come. That only object oriented. So if I divide it, I want division, division only will come here. Remaining will not come. That is a major advantage of this concept. So anyway, the program I saved with demo methods 6.java. I took the output as. I took the output. See there, I'll show the program to you once. So this program, what I type to you. See there. I am taking 5 subclasses: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, 5 subclasses. I typed it. Now in the main class now, I am reading V1, V2. I am asking the choice to the user, which one you want. Now the user said, I want 4. 4 means division. Now choice is holding 4 now. The variable choice is holding 4. Now this 4 compared with case 1. 4 and 1. Both the same or different? Different. Yes or no? So this is 4. This is 1. Not matched. This is 4. This is 2. Not matched. This is 4. This is 3. Not matched. Choice is 4 and case is 4. Matched, no? Right. Whenever it is matched, you are creating object. When the object creation started, then the division class will be loaded. So division object created. Using the division object, we are calling a method. The method will take V1 and V2. Calculation over, it returns a result. The result I am printing. So execution completed, no? Once execution completed, we have to stop that switch, because below lines you must not execute it because execution completed. So we are using what now? Break. Break means stop the switch case execution. All of understood this model? And yes or no? Now I'll give the notes on switch case. 10 minutes notes I'll give it on switch. This program introducing 5 subclasses and 1 switch case. One small notes on switch case. Make it FAQ. Define switch case statement. Switch case statement is used to select one from multiple available cases or options. Switch case statement is used to select one from multiple available cases or options. Multiple available cases or options. Multiple available cases or options. Now, everybody should learn today's switch case. Easy only, no? Yes or no? In all the languages it is available. Okay, right. Tomorrow I am bringing a new switch. 2019 switch. Java 13 version switch. Because I brought today old switch. Everybody knows. Python people know, .NET people know, PHP people know, C language, C++. Up to now, old Java engineers who are working in the company also, they knows. Your brother, sister who are working in company also, they knows. But tomorrow's switch, you only should know. That is Java 13 version, they changed a switch case. I want to bring that switch. Right? Because I stopped that student name, student branch, student roll number, I stopped. There I am going to introduce new switch. Java 13 switch I am going to introduce. All installed Java 17, no? Right. So this is the old switch available since 40 years. Okay, right. So tomorrow I want to bring a new switch because I am giving a notes today only on this. Switch of value. Case 1, if it is true, some statements are executed and break. Case 2, if it is true, some statements are executed, break. Not. You can take n number of cases. Break. So when the value, switch value is not matched with any cases, it comes to default. Default statements. Default. Right. One small theoretical behavior. execution behavior. The switch value is compared with available options. The switch value is compared with available options. The switch value is compared with available options. Options means cases. And if the switch value is matched with any option, and if the switch value is matched with any option, then the statements under the option are executed. The switch value is compared with available options, and if the switch value is matched with any option, then the statements under the option are executed. Whatever the statements available under that option, they are executed. Okay, right? We use break statement. We use break statement to stop. We use break statement to stop switch case execution. We use break statement to stop the switch case execution after executing the statements under the option or case. We use break statement to stop the switch case execution after executing the statements under the option. If the switch value is not matched with any available cases or options, if the switch value is not matched with any available cases or options, then default is executed. Everybody clear with this? This is an old switch, we had it. Specifically, I written notes on switch. Okay, right? The known switch to you from other languages. Right? So no assignment, only that updation is the assignment. Okay, right? Tomorrow I'll give the solution. I'll introduce one more switch. Then I'll frame the assignments and give to you. That's a plan. Okay, right? Look here, I'll scroll up once. Whenever I'm writing your control structures here, selection statements, here switch case is there? No, right? I use ladder refills, no? I'll give a notes on that ladder refills definition, I'll give it. Okay, right? So I used ladder refills, I used a switch case. Of course, if else I am using anyway. Simple if, nested if, still not used. Tomorrow I'm going to use them. Iterative statements will not come. You have to wait it. After 2-3 chapters, they'll come. Okay, right? Here I used what now? Written I used break. I used written, I used break. So remaining not entered, you are weighted. Understood now? Like this, I planned. So take a break for today. I'll upload the notes by 9:15. So run my program and update it. And thank you very much for today.
ఇంటూ 2 వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవచ్చా లేకపోతే ఎక్కువ తీసుకోవచ్చా? 2 వాల్యూస్ ఏనా లేకపోతే ఎక్కువ? ఇందాక ప్రోగ్రామ్స్
సరే ఇప్పుడు వాల్యూస్ మనం 2 అని మెన్షన్ చేసాం కదా, 2 వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవాలండి. సింగిల్ వాల్యూస్
ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మెన్షన్ చేయకపోతే 10 వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, అంటే 3, 4 అలా తీసుకోవచ్చా? ఇక్కడ వితౌట్ పారామీటర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లోనే